Welcome back to my channel. Are you feeling bloated, tired, or your skin is just not giving the glow that it should be this summer? So one glass of this delicious beetroot juice will change all of that. Today we are making a powerful detox beetroot juice, bursting with nutrients to boost your energy, clear your skin, and support your digestion naturally. So beets are naturally loaded with nitrates, which help lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and give you that natural energy and glow. So we're going to add a bit of vitamin C. Remember, vitamin C is really important when it comes to absorption of iron, and it does help your body to absorb iron really well. So the vitamin C will help with that, and it will also help with cutting down the taste of raw beet, which some people do not really like. And then you're going to add 2 grams of ginger. Ginger fights inflammation, aids in digestion, warms up your metabolism. It's like a mini spa day for your insides, a mini spa day for your gut. So if you've gotten to this part of the video, please subscribe and like and leave a comment. So this is a very simple but nutritious juice.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. With time,
blend everything until smooth and then strain for a silky texture. Remember, I got this strain from Shein. I'm going to leave the link down below. I guess you can also get the same from Amazon. It's such a good strainer since it's made of a fabric like material, so it ensures I get the most out of the juice. And
I can't help that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
in the previous video, I did get a comment on where I got these storage jars from. So I got them from Amazon. I'm still going to leave the link for them down below. Also, if you're new to this channel, we're all about juicing and healthy things. So subscribe for more. And this is the serving suggestion that I was talking about. I'll also leave this cute ice cube maker down below because it was really beautiful.
Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion.